Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for Yeung Chow fried rice. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So first of all, we're going to make a marinade for our pork. So we have oyster sauce, some soy sauce, pinch of Chinese five spice, and some garlic granules. Just give them a stir around, just get all the flavours incorporated. Now to that we're going to add some thinly sliced pork. Now if you want to slice your pork really thin, just pop it in the freezer for about 20 minutes or half an hour and it'll firm up and then you can slice it. Now we'll give that a mix round. We'll pop the lid on and we'll leave it to sit for a minimum of half an hour, a couple of hours if you can. So now that our pork is marinated, we're going to go over to our cooker. We're going to heat a wok on a medium heat and we're going to spray it with some low-calorie cooking oil. Then we're going to add some mixed up egg and we're just going to cook that there until it scrambles. So now that our egg is scrambled, we're just going to remove it. We're going to set it into a bowl and leave it to the side until we cook the rest of our ingredients. So then we'll wipe out the wok, we'll pop it onto a high heat and we'll spray it with some more low-calorie cooking oil. Now we're going to add the marinated pork strips. And we'll stir fry them just for about 5 minutes until they're fully cooked. So now that our pork is fully cooked, we're going to add some frozen peas, some diced cooked ham, some spring onions, some grated or julienne of carrot, some cooked prawns, and we're going to stir fry them for about a minute. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button. It does help the channel and I can make further videos for you. Now that our meat, our prawns and our vegetables have warmed up, we're going to add our cooked rice. Our cooked egg back into the pan. And then some soy sauce. Now we'll continue to cook these until the ingredients are well combined, the rice is fully heated, and then it's time to serve. So there folks, we have our Yeung Chow fried rice, which is healthier and better than a takeaway. Also quite quick. Folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my further videos.